Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to disable vibration for chat notifications on Messenger. If you've been looking for a way to stop those constant vibrations without turning off your notifications completely, this step-by-step guide will help you do just that. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your phone's settings and how to make the change quickly. Let's get started. The first step is to go to your phone's main settings. Instead of diving into the Messenger app itself, you need to use the system settings, since that's where notification controls are located. Once you're in your phone settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps. Tap on it to open the list of all the installed applications on your device. Next, scroll through your list of apps and select Messenger. This will take you to the application information page where you can manage how Messenger behaves on your phone, including storage, permissions, and notifications. For this tutorial, we're focusing specifically on notification settings. Now, tap on the Notifications option. This will open more detailed options that let you customize how you receive Messenger alerts. Once inside, you'll want to tap on Notification Categories. Different categories here represent different types of notifications sent by Messenger. Look for the category labeled Chats. This is the one responsible for your message alerts. Go ahead and tap on it to open the chat notification settings. Inside, you'll find several ways to manage how chat notifications come through, including sound, pop-up settings, and vibration. To turn off vibration, simply toggle off the switch next to Vibrate. Once you flip that switch, Messenger will stop vibrating every time you receive a new chat message, while still keeping your notification sounds and banner alerts active unless you make other changes. And that's it. You now know how to quickly disable vibration for chat notifications on Messenger. This setting can help keep your phone quieter and free from unnecessary interruptions while still allowing you to see new messages as they come in. If you found this guide helpful, take a moment to adjust your settings and enjoy a calmer experience when receiving messages.